Renee, and I'm with my mom, and we're in her kitchen once again for another mouth-watering, tummy-filling episode of Revv Eats. And in today's episode, we'll be doing two dishes. The first dish will be our rendang stir-fried beef, which is a Malay dish. Am I right? Yeah, Malay. And the next dish will be a Rasam Soup, which is a South Indian dish. I know you guys are real hungry to find out more, so let's get started. Well, that's basically how you cook the Rasam Soup, but we're gonna plate it and make it all look nice before we start digging into all the food. Well folks, there you have it, our beef steak, or some people might call it the rendang stir-fried beef with our Rasam Soup. Boy, I don't know about you boy folks, but I'm really hungry. And of course, I want to thank my mom once again for allowing us to invade the kitchen for this episode of Revv Eats. And don't forget folks to subscribe for more right here on Revv Evolution.